Pushing versus cutting your cuticles. Simply said, do not cut your cuticles. Both the Mayo Clinic and the American Academy of Dermatology agree that you do not cut your cuticles, and you do not let your manicurist cut your cuticles. We're going to show you today the easiest way, the healthiest way to care for your cuticles by using simply a cuticle remover and pushing your cuticles back. So the cuticle, again, is the end of your skin, which is the largest organ of your body. So when you get to this cuticle, it's a very, very tiny piece of white skin that is at the end of your nail. It creeps up on your nail, depending on what your body is like and your DNA. Some people never need to really push back their cuticles. Other people need to do it every 3 days. I do mine once a week. So the cuticle is anywhere the skin meets the nail. So it's not just at the very, very base. You're gonna get dead cuticle in here, you're gonna get dead skin here. So I think about this, again, the way I think about my face. My face gets dry, I need to get an exfoliant, I need to exfoliate it away. My body gets dry, I need to get an exfoliant, exfoliate it away. So we're going to get a cuticle remover, which is an exfoliant. It has, the main ingredient is potassium hydroxide, and this is what is gonna break down the cuticle. So you're gonna put this on your nail anywhere the skin meets the nail, on the sides, at the base, liberally, and on the other side. I would do 5 nails at a time, put that on. I do, again, a waterless manicure. So you're basically going to just use your cuticle remover that is going to soften your cuticles. Next, you're going to pick up your pusher and start to push. And we'll go through the technique of that. You're gonna push until you get all of that dead skin off. No pressure going on the nail plate, no pressure going on the matrix of the nail down here. And when you wipe it clean and see that there's only a little teeny piece of skin hanging here or there, right now I'm not seeing any, you would take, at that point, you would take a cuticle nipper and you would use that only for a piece of dead skin that is laying up. You do not want to use a cuticle oil. Cuticle oil is meant to hydrate. There are many, many, many different kinds of cuticle oils with delicious ingredients in them that are meant to hydrate and moisturize. These are not. This is 2 different kinds of cuticle oils. They're very, very oily. You need a cuticle remover. The cuticle process requires a cuticle remover followed by cuticle oil.